How to install and eject the SIM card on a Motorola Moto G Stylus. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject your SIM card on the Moto G. First thing we're going to want to do is power off the device by pressing and holding the side button. It's the one that is textured over here, the power button, and select power off. And while that is shutting down, we're going to go ahead and remove our SIM eject tool out of the box. If you have the original box right here in this paperwork, unfold the flap here, and right inside here you should be getting a SIM eject tool. It'll look something like this. We'll go ahead and swipe it out. If you don't have the SIM eject tool, you can use anything like an unfolded paper clip, a needle, possibly anything that is long and hard that you'll be able to stick inside that hole to eject the SIM card or the SIM tray. So right here on the left side of the device, we will see there is a cutout, a little outline here, right there, and then there is a hole right here. It's a little bit hard to see, but you're going to want to take your SIM eject tool and put it in there. Just push, apply some pressure, and it should remove. It doesn't eject all the way out, and as I was pulling it out, I could feel that it was a little bit tight coming out, so be careful with that when you are installing it. So now it comes time to install, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the card right there. You guys will be able to see that there is a slight angle here. There's an angle. All the rest of them are more or less square. This one here is angled, and that should fit the angle on this SIM card. So when you're installing it, make sure to install it that way. Make sure it's sitting in there nice and flat. If it's sticking up, you will have issues putting it in. It was fairly tight coming out. And then as far as the installation, it says this side up right on the card. So this side will be coming up. And I'm just making sure as I'm installing it that my card is sitting in there flat. So my card is sitting flat on that SIM tray. And now that I have it all the way in, I'm just going to go ahead, insert it all the way, and now it is installed. And now all you got to do is power up your device, and you should have your SIM card in there. So for those of you that are looking how to remove this card, same thing. If you have a SIM eject tool, if you have your original box, be sure to pull it out. Pull out your SIM tray, SIM card remove tool, and install it into that hole that is right there on the side. Apply some pressure, and just like that, it should come out slightly. I'm using just my fingernails to slide this out. Being very careful, if you already have a SIM card in there, you don't want it to get caught as you are pulling it out. And just like that, it popped right out. So that is my quick tutorial of how to insert and eject a SIM card on the Motorola Moto G. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a good day.